Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Nissan Titan XD Pro-4X. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, step rails, deep tinted glass, splash guards, and much more. 18-inch, dark painted finish alloy wheels, all-terrain tires, speed-sensitive rain-detecting wipers, programmable LED daytime running lights with delay off, and a strong turbo diesel 8-cylinder four-wheel drive with only 44,769 miles. A sliding rear window, the bed cover, the tow package, a locking tailgate, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row stain-resistant, cloth-trimmed captain's chairs. Cruise, dual-zone auto climate, a push-button start, a locking glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.